The new concept 2-in-1 FlexMark is multi-purpose, flexible and user-friendly. FlexMark combines the bench and handheld gun into one system. FlexMark incorporates dot-peen technology. Marks are formed by a carbide stylus actuated by an electromagnetic solenoid. The result is a clear, permanent mark regardless of the material. FlexMark is an intelligent marking system. Based on the patent-pending IDI technology, FlexMark automatically compensates for differences between the part surface and the stylus tip, providing an excellent mark on difficult marking surfaces. In a bench configuration, the FlexMark is effective for small and medium-sized parts, whether a small batch or production volume. To produce a clean and permanent mark, the part is securely positioned on the machine base. The marking head positioned vertically over the marking area and the marking data entered into the controller through the keyboard. It is possible to test the marking area without impacting the surface. In 10 seconds, the bench version can be converted into a handheld gun. The handheld version can be used indoors and outside to mark large and complex parts that cannot be transported. The top handle provides excellent support during the marking process and allows for easy transport throughout the shop. FlexMark is an industrial marking system made of cast aluminium components. The controller is light and mobile, and the marking head has a locating support feature that allows it to produce quality marks in all positions. The FlexMark software is user-friendly and intuitive. It is ideally suited for industrial, direct part marking applications. The embedded software is very simple to operate, easy and fast to program, and can be used by anyone, regardless of experience. The high-resolution color graphic display and navigational icons make it easy to enter text, size, position, angle, marking, depth, simulate a marking pattern and save marking information. External connections to a PC are simple and accessible through the USB port, allowing data to be saved and restored. Optional Windows-based software is available for operating the FlexMark from a PC. FlexMark is economical and environment-friendly, working without any consumables. It is an excellent balance of quality, affordability and performance. Thanks to an optional high capability and simplified rotary axis, FlexMark can provide excellent direct part marking on cylindrical parts. FlexMark software can mark text, variables, serial numbers, date, time, shift codes and logos on all types of part configurations, materials and surface conditions. FlexMark is the answer for permanent direct part marking in an industrial environment, whether in a small machine shop or large manufacturing setting. FlexMark is the new way of flexible permanent marking.